Peyton and Clayton, is this the biggest monsoon you ever played in?
Yep, definitely.
So how do you guys play in this swap tonight?
We played one of the best games we've ever played in our lives.
It took a little bit to overcome it, but once we did, it's easy to grow accustomed to it.
Oh, yeah.
So, like, do you enjoy playing out here in this?
Yeah, it doesn't bother us.
As long as you're winning, right?
Yep.
So how do you guys feel going forward now?
Feel good, feel great. Got to be humble, keep playing Laker baseball, you know.
Pretty confident. I think our hitting really came around too.
Oh, yeah. We'll come around the right spot.
So do you guys feel like you're the front runners right now in the sectional?
Definitely. I think so.
And so what will have to take to win 2 games Monday?
Arms. About it. Arms and our bats. Yeah.
Keep pitching up, keep hitting good pitching. I think that'll do it.
Drop the ball.